So what's going on, guys? I just got through dropping off some packages and I was near Goodwill, so I'm just gonna run in real quick to see what I can find. Maybe I find something, maybe I don't. But I'm gonna put myself on a budget of literally $20 because, yeah, I have to. So I'm gonna walk in here with $20 and see if I can find something to flip to make at least, I'm gonna say 30-40% of my money. So, you know, if I could spend 20 and bring in 50 back, I'll be okay. So we're looking about a $30 profit. So wish me luck. There's way too many people in here for my liking. It's a bunch of people. I've never seen Goodwill this packed. Don't know why. So I'm gonna escape. But I'll show you one or two items that I found. All these people. Gotta go. So I'm leaving. There was too many people in there for me. But I did find 3 items. Again, I was in there for 15 minutes. So we're gonna calculate what I made in 15 minutes. Pardon me. And we know that it's gonna sell because it has some great rank. So we're gonna take a look at that later on whenever I get back to the house. Too many people in there. I don't like crowds. What's going on, guys? So I made it back to the house, and we're gonna go over the little 3 quick products that I found in less than 15 minutes. I spent a total of $24 today, and when I show you these products, it's gonna be important. Today was the color blue at Goodwill, so all products were half off. But this is the first thing that I got. Some kind of Chia Shrek thing. Y'all know how Chia Pets, I don't even see why they're still popular. They were popular in like the late 80s, early 90s, but whatever. I bought it for $3.99. It's still factory sealed. So I took some printouts of what everything was going to be worth so I didn't have to take screenshots. But if you can see this right here, I just literally just took the screenshot and printed it on my printer. It's trending right now for $17.98. So, and somebody right here just sold one for $15 and they made them pay shipping. So I see somebody else selling it for $24.95, and that sold the other day. So if you go on your eBay app and you go to sold items, you can see a listing of all the items that have been sold recently. So that was the main reason I bought this, because this is going to sell. So I bought it for $4. Probably going to sell it for like $20 after shipping fees and everything. I'll make it get $16, $17 off this product, and that'll be just profit. And then right when I walked in Goodwill, I go straight to the glass majority of the time in this particular Goodwill, or most Goodwills I'll walk straight to the glass just because they have the best things in the glass. So I found these skates, and the UPC code was visible for me, so I literally just scanned the UPC code, and I want to open this box to make sure I show you the right item. Yeah. So these are going to be the blue ones. See these guys? Roller skates. I mean, the condition that they're in, fabulous. On the box, you can see that they were $19.99, but again, I told you the color of the day was blue, so I paid $10. So new, these things are selling for $64.95. That's new. But the used ones are selling for $44.11. That's $31 profit. That's after eBay take out their fees, after shipping. These are in pretty good condition, and there's only one other FBA seller, so I'm going to try to sell mine for like $50. So I'm going to try to make I'm going to try to make at least $40. So my potential profit is $31. And if you notice the BSR rank, they have a good rank, 200 and something sales a month of these. So hopefully they won't sit, and there's only one other FBA offer. So hopefully they'll get there and they'll get sold. And the third item I got was the same exact brand of roller skates. Did the same thing, scanned the UPC code. As you can see, they are in great condition. Still pretty much great condition. And new, they sell for $79.90 something. But used, we all know it's gonna be a little bit cheaper. Used, my profit's gonna be $18.35. And this was the same thing. They were going for $19.99, but the color they was blue, so I paid $10 for them. So I said my profit's gonna be $8, but again, they're in pretty, almost brand new condition. I mean, so I'm gonna sell them for more than the other guy who's selling them for $29.57. I'm probably gonna sell these for like $40, $50, because again, they're in great condition, and there's only one other FBA offer who's selling them used. And like they look practically brand new. And then on my way back to the home, back to the house, when I got a notification telling me that something arrived. What is that? Oh my WWE SmackDown. I'm a big fan. Probably gonna do an unboxing video on this. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the description box below, or you just find the video on my channel, and we're gonna see what SmackDown's all about. I'm so excited about this, guys. So this is the 20th anniversary edition, the special edition, supposed to come with a bunch of cool things. But yeah, that's my little thing today. So today I spent $24, and we know that I can make at least, we're gonna say 16 off of that. And off the skates one, I'm gonna make at least 30, and the other one says I'm gonna make 8, but I'm gonna stretch that. I'm gonna make at least $28 off that, guys. So I spent 24, 20, 30, that's at least $70 profit. $60 to $70 profit that I'm gonna make off these items. And that was literally 15 minutes in Goodwill, and there was too many people in there, so I had to leave. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will check you next time. And don't forget, do something beautiful for somebody else today.